this chapter, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks to ace your online interview. As you all know, after the pandemic started, video interviews have gained a lot of popularity, right? Video interviews are almost similar to the face-to-face interview, but फिर भी कुछ major differences होते हैं, which I'm going to talk about. And I understand that online interviews can be really daunting, but I'm going to give you some tricks and tips which will help you to ace in your interview. Let's start with the tips. Tip 1. Check your system beforehand. Whenever you're giving an online interview, make sure that your gadget is properly charged, because in case of a power cut, you still have to go through the interview, right? तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपका बैटरी बहुत कम था इसलिए ऑफ हो गया. Of course, interviewers are very cordial and they understand the situation. वो आपको दोबारा ऑनलाइन पे ले लेंगे, but still it will create a gap, right? तो उसको already चार्ज करके रखें, and you should also check your internet prior to starting the interview, and then check out all the softwares, whichever software that you're going to be using for the interview. Remove the screensaver. This is important because sometimes I've seen कि interview चल रहा होता है और बीच में screensaver आ जाता है, which you can see but the interviewer cannot see, right? And then you are just baffled कि एकदम ये क्या हो गया, right? तो तब आप उसकी setting change करें. इससे better है कि screensaver already remove करके रखें. Practice with a friend. It is important because this may be the first time that you are giving interview online. So अगर friend के साथ practice कर लें, चाहे first time दे रहे हैं, second time दे रहे हैं, technology can fail you any time, right? तो friend के साथ एक बार practice कर लेना better रहेगा, so that you make a good impression on the interviewer while you are actually giving the interview. Let's look on tip 2. Clear all your doubts in advance. Before logging in, you can ask the interviewer or whomever it may concern that what format is to be followed, or you can ask them these following questions to be sure that you're following the right steps, right? So, is it an audio interview or both audio and video, right? Is there someone on the other end of the video, or is it pre-recorded? Now, these days, a lot of companies, especially the big companies, have started using automation. तो इसमें क्या होता है that the questions are pre-recorded. या तो वो ऑडियो के फॉर्म में होंगे या वीडियो के फॉर्म में होंगे. And why is this done? So that एक पर्सन को बार-बार same repetitive questions ना पूछने पड़े to a lot of candidates, right? Now, if they are pre-recorded, then how many chances do I get to record the answer? So now you know कि pre-record हो चुके हैं, आपके questions are pre-recorded. If the interviewer is telling you or the staff is telling you कि pre-recorded हैं. Now you need to clear this out कि अगर pre-recorded है तो can I give my answer again? Like do I get a chance to give the answer again अगर मेरे से कोई गलती हो जाती है, या फिर it's a one go thing? ठीक है, ये चीज आपको क्लियर करनी होती है. Then what do I do or who should I call if I start having technical difficulties? Meanwhile, जब pre-recording चल रहा होता है, pre-recorded interview चल रहा होता है, there is a possibility कि कोई technical issue आ जाए. तो उस केस में क्या करना है? That you should ask, right? Tip 3 is perfect lighting. You need to have perfect lighting when you're giving an interview online, right? On a computer or on any system, basically. So make sure that it isn't too dark or too bright. So अगर too dark होगा तो आपका face visible नहीं होगा, आपके expressions visible नहीं होंगे, and your expressions should be visible because एक्सप्रेशन ही तो शो करते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? एंड वेदर यू आर अग्रीइंग टू अ पॉइंट या फिर नहीं, तो यू शुड बी विजिबल. और टू ब्राइट इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए, यू डोंट वांट टू ब्लाइंड आउट द इंटरव्यूअर, राइट? इफ पॉसिबल ट्राई टू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ विंडो. दिस इज द इजीएस्ट वन कि अगर कभी भी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है दैट हाउ शुड आई गेट अ गुड लाइट, तो मोस्टली इंटरव्यूज डे टाइम में ही होते हैं. You can sit in front of a window and that's how you can get the adequate amount of light that you be needing. Tip 4 will be, make sure you have a stable base for your laptop. If you're using a laptop, then you shouldn't keep it on a pillow, right? Because वो wiggle करेगा and then it will not look nice. Also, थोड़ा distance maintain करके रखो because sometimes you get excited or if you're the one जो hand movement करते हैं तो वो sometimes लग जाता है, हाथ लग जाता है and your laptop falls off, right? तो उसको थोड़ा सा हम दूर रखेंगे and वैसे I would prefer कि phone ना use किया जाए in an interview. You shouldn't use a phone because the quality is not that good and due to various reasons, right? But if you still want to use a phone or you have a phone, you don't have any other gadget, then you can use a tripod so that it's stable. The phone is stable. You shouldn't hold the phone in your hand like a selfie, like you're taking a selfie and then give an interview. It doesn't look very professional. Tip 5, choosing the right background. Choosing the right background is important because अगर आपके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा disturbance दिख रही है, disturbance can be of any kind, जैसे आपके पीछे glass cups and plate रखा है या कोई भी dirty सामान रखा है, that doesn't look nice, so you need to clutter that out. Remove all the clutter from behind. Try to sit against a plain wall. If you don't know where to sit, this is a trick that you can follow. Just sit in front of a wall. This is very easy and you can follow this one. इससे कोई mistake नहीं होगी basically. पीछे कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए because you don't want to distract the interviewer also. Let's look on to the 6th tip. Remove all the distractions. Now, as we have talked कि पीछे से सारा हम declutter तो कर देंगे, but other type की distractions भी होती हैं and other type of distractions are the people. क्योंकि आप घर पे दे रहे हैं interview, you're giving the interview from home, so obviously there are people at home. So silence them all. Tell them that you are going to give the interview and you need them to be quiet. Also, अगर you have a pet, if you have a pet at home, उनको भी थोड़ा दूर रखो. Try to lock your room and then give the interview because it doesn't look nice. It doesn't look official. You are giving an interview. I accept that you're at home, but still it is an official setup, right? Silence everything that could interfere in your conversation. Put your phone on silent. This is important because sometimes those notifications keep on popping. The sound doesn't look nice. Make sure no one else is around, including your pets. Tip 7, be ready before time. So, like in an face-to-face real interview, here also be ready before time with your system on place and with everything on place, and yourself, you should be ready, okay? And you should log in before time so as to check the software, right? Tip 8, sit up and dress professionally. I know you're at home, but still you need to dress professionally because this is an interview which is going on. It should look like an interview, right? So dress professionally, wear a shirt, wear anything formal which you can wear and just go ahead. Tip 9, look into the eyes of your interviewer. I'm going to tell you a trick how you can do this. When you want to look into the eye of anyone behind the screen, what you can do is you can look at the camera. So, आपके लैपटॉप पे ऊपर जो कैमरा है आप उसको देख के बात करेंगे तो it will seem like you're looking into the eye of a person, right? So you can do that because it's very easy to get distracted when you're giving an interview on a system. So you can use this trick. So for example, right now I'm talking to you through a camera, right? I'm looking into the camera lens. And what are you feeling? You're feeling as if I'm looking into your eyes, right? That's what you have to do. Tip 10. Listen carefully and speak clearly. This is important. I understand that most of you have attended a lot of seminars or webinars, right? Online. You have. It is very important to be clear. Be it with your words, your lines, your dialect, right? You have to be clear. That's one thing. But you need to have some devices also. Okay, use of a microphone is very important, because it will make your voice clearer, okay? And also speaker. If you think that the voice quality of your laptop or phone or whichever gadget you're using, it's not that good, you can have a speaker, because you need to hear correctly also, and you need to talk and you need to sound right? Tip 11, follow up afterwards. This means that after the interview is over, what you can do is you can send them an email wherein you can thank them, you can clear out any doubts that you have, and also you can answer to an unanswered question. If you feel कि कोई answer आपने नहीं दिया है, किसी question का answer miss हो गया है, this is the opportunity that you can use. You can answer it on email. Also, if you feel that you've made a mistake, कोई आपसे mistake हो गई है और you think you sounded rude, तो आप ईमेल पे उनको उसके लिए अपोलोजाइज भी कर सकते हैं और उस मिस्टेक को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस चैप्टर. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.